Can you put a sock on? Yeah. Okay, put it on your foot. There's your other sock. Very good. Can you put it on your foot? Put it on your foot. Put it on your foot. See? Your foot. Here, put your socks on. Remember? Put your sock on your foot. Here, you do it. Oh, almost. Oh, are you pooping too? Yeah. Okay, put your socks on. Put your sock on. Put your sock on your foot. No? Okay. Hey, you bum.